All right, hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our morning market update for February 6th of 2018. It's George Papasov. Markets are crashing. We talked about that the last couple weeks. We're down a lot. So yesterday on the Dow Jones, we hit 1,500 points to the downside, almost 1,600, which is the largest decline ever in a single day history of the Dow Jones. So with a lot of you guys over the last couple of weeks, we've been building up this hypothesis that this market's due for a little bit of a correction, and it's finally happening. And now people want to know what caused it, what was the catalyst. There isn't any single given catalyst. It's just a whole bunch of institutional traders that hold big positions getting out. And how do they do that? By selling. So every rally is an opportunity to sell. These markets are getting thin as they move down, but there's heavy volume. So don't get it confused. This selling will continue. Today, you could see another big drop, and we're just really deleveraging very quickly. There's a combination of things going on here. Institutional traders are getting out. Retail traders bought the top, and they're getting stuck with the heaviest losses. And high-frequency trading is now playing the downside of the market as well. They're hitting bids, and you're seeing a lot of that accumulation of sell volume, and the market just doesn't get a chance to even get up on its feet before it falls down again. So today, don't look to buy dips. Look to sell rallies, ride the downside momentum. And as a day trader, if you're not making your months in a single day here, your weeks at the very least, you're doing it wrong. You got to really go in here and just press this thing and step on it. Yesterday I was in a flight. I'm in LA at the moment, actually in Orange County in the OC, Santa Ana. And it was interesting. I was in the flight and I purchased the internet package so I could write the evening update for you guys. And then I signed on to just check out Market Delta. And I was in my flight 30,000 feet in the air on Market Delta. And I literally made about $4,000 in the span of 45 minutes. It was one of the most profitable flights I've ever been on. And the reason that's so is because there's no opportunity, there's no reason not to actually be making this market, right? When it rallies, sell those rallies, just ride this thing down. There isn't much more to say. Everybody wants to know why are we lower? What caused this? Donald Trump went on and said yesterday, all I'm focused on is the fundamentals of the economy. We've wiped out all of 2018 gains across the board. So we started the year really hot, and then we've also seen just the reversal or the give back of that trade. It's dark here. By the way, I was going to mention this at the beginning. It's dark because it's literally 6 a.m. at the moment, 6:11 in California. And we're here. I'll take you guys around very quickly. Got this really nice space. It's still dark, like I said. This is the terrace of it. And the whole property extends all the way out back. I'll show you guys during the day. But it's a huge property. Anywho, that's where I'm trading today, out on the terrace. In Toronto, where I'm from, the weather out there is like minus 20. Well, not that much right now, but so I'm just enjoying the opportunity of being outside. All right, let's have a look at a few things. Let me take you through an overview of equity markets so far and where we're at overnight. We're getting just absolutely annihilated. This market's getting hit. Look out. Give yourself some rallies, give yourself some levels, and you got to get in. In a volatile market like this, you can't trade with a thin stop. You have to adjust for a little bit. So the way to do that is increase the size of your stop and decrease the lots that you're trading with. So decrease the size of your position, increase the size of your leeway or the stop loss. It's a very thin market. Don't think you're going to be able to trade 20 lots in this scenario. If you look at the screen, actually you can't see it. You got at the moment 1 by 1 going through, 1 on the bid, 1 on the offer, 2 by 3, 0 by 1 above that. So you're not getting a lot of volume. Wait till the US Open, sell rallies, and you're going to be profitable in today's session. Let me give you the statistics for the market so far. Japan's down 4.8% in Asia. Hong Kong's down 5.1% in a single session. China's down 3.4%. And India's down 1.6%. In Europe here at midday, London's down 2.4%. Paris down 2.2%. Frankfurt down 2.1%. Markets getting hit all across the board. Looking at the United States, Dow Jones is down 0.3%. S&P is also down. NASDAQ's down. Crude oil is down 0.5%. Gold is up about 0.8% or 0.8 of a percentage point, and Bitcoin just getting slammed down 8.6% to 6,300. Look out! I told you guys on Bitcoin that coming out of that 10,000 handle support on low volume, it was very suspect to me, and I knew that we're going to continue to sell off. How low? I couldn't tell you that then, and I still can't answer that question. When's a good time to buy it? let that falling knife drop. When the knife drops, pick it up and then use it as a weapon. All right, so be cautious today. It's getting very volatile. Yesterday, about 3 p.m., I got an email from my broker that says, here are the levels at which the market's going to be halted. So we're close to a halt. We're probably about 30 points away. But the way that was dropping, it could have happened literally in moments. If you're looking to buy right now, I'm going to tell you this. You're trading it from the wrong side. All right, guys, wait for a rally. Wait to sell it. At some point, selling will capitulate. That point doesn't have to be right now. All right, don't look to be right. Look to be profitable. Have a good morning. Take care. I got to open up the trading room. We got to go out here and make some money so we can pay the bills. You guys take care. I'll see you tomorrow morning. I'll be another location that time. I look forward to trading with you. Have a great morning. Manage your risk and trade like a trade pro.